Lovely, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing an unboxing and a subscription box, and this is from Cohorted. It's finally here, my Cohorted. So if you want to see what's inside here, just keep on watching. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. As I said, finally it's here, because usually they came at 7 to 9, but it's 12 today, so it just came, I think yesterday. Yeah, yesterday just came this box, but it was really late. I didn't have chance to film it, but I was really excited for this month box. So this is the box outside. So if you're new to Cohorted, this is a monthly premium beauty subscription box. It costs £39.99 every month, including the shipping fee. And this subscription box, it works differently. It works like 1 month front. It means that if you subscribe today, you will not receive this box but the next one, and you will pay today $39.99, but also you will pay on the 1st of next month. I hope I explained properly. But if you want to purchase this box, they usually do a one-off box every at the end of the month, but it will cost you like £50. So yes, this is the outer packaging, as I said, and it says Monuskin Natural Active Skincare Pamper Me. So I think this month it's in collaboration with Monuskin. We received few products from Monuskin before in our Cohorted, but I'm so curious what's inside here. So let's open it. Here we go. This is the inside box. It's their usual box, the white. It's usually white or black, but this month it's white. And then we have a card in here, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your beauty box. This month your box was hand-packed with love by Brett." Cohorted. And then we have the booklet as always. And this month total value, we'll see, £203.80. So this is the total value for this month. And then now let's see the products inside. So the first product we have in here, and this one is quite big, and I think this is a full size. See, this is the sandalwood and lemon bath and body oil, all skin type. It has 300 ml, and I think we received something like this before, but it's not a bath body oil, something else. But let's smell it. It has citrus smell, definitely. Smells gorgeous. This one, it's rated for 35 pounds. Sandalwood and rosewood essential oils to ensure muscles are properly rested and skin is comforted, whilst the mind is aided in winding down. Added apricot seed further nourish the skin, guaranteeing skin is utterly hydrated and left feeling soft and smooth. So this is the first product, and it smells gorgeous. I really do like the smell. It has citrus smell, really gorgeous smell. I really do like it. The next product we have in here, Monuskin Warming Aromatic Mask, natural clay chamomile and camphor for combination skin. And this one, it says twice a week after cleansing and toning, spread a thin layer onto the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove in warm water and sponges. Not bad. And let's see inside. Oh, it's like that. Oh, smells nice. It's the lavender chamomile, like relaxing smell. It smells really nice. And this one, lovely, is a full size, and it's rated for £24.95. And it says, a silky smooth facial mask specifically formulated to increase vitamin and mineral absorption, to leave skin feeling utterly warm, nurtured, and comforted. The aromatic mask is formulated with natural Atapulgite clay, can't pronounce those words, which provides a deep cleansing treatment allowing the mask to thoroughly stimulate and energize the complexion. Skin will be left feeling invigorating from morning to night. So here we have the BEAUTYBOX Camphor Coconut Lavender Oil. I don't smell the coconut, but I smell the chamomile lavender one, which is very relaxing. And then we have the next one is a perfecting tint SPF 15 medium. This is perfect in summer. It's quite dark, but on summer, like when the weather getting warm, this is really perfect. And it has also SPF 15, so this is really good. And let's see what it says on the leaflet. This one, lovely, as you can see the product. This one, it's rated for 34 pounds. Very expensive one. It's almost the price of the box. Tinted moisturizing cream that naturally hydrates and nourishes the skin, locking in moisture for up to 24 hours. Containing a combination of iron oxide, cassia alatat leaf, and vitamin E to balance skin tone for naturally brighter appearance. The perfecting tint provides a natural mineral pigment that creates a subtle color to suit your complexion. The addition of SPF 15 also ensures skin is protected from the sun and premature aging is prevented. So the key ingredient we have cassia alata leaf extract, iron oxide, vitamin E, zinc oxide. So yeah, this is perfect on summer, definitely. And then the next one we have, oh, this is the Eye Cool Gel, Arnica and Vitamin C. I think most of this product is perfect on summer, in my opinion. Eye Cool, I will not use this one at the moment because it's cold. I usually use a very thick eye cream at the moment because I have really dry skin, so I will not use it. I will not use this one at the moment, but let's see how much is this product. This one is rated for 29 pounds 95 pence. Wow. And it says a refreshing gel to instantly restore hydration and refresh the sensitive eye area. The Eye Cool Gel effectively reduces puffiness and dark circles under the eye whilst lifting, plumping, and correcting skin tone for a fresh, flawless look. Delivering immediate result, the Eye Cool Gel is an all-around miracle product, leaving eyes brighter and skin rejuvenated. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite yellow. But yeah, as I said, I will not use this one at the moment, but definitely I'm excited when I receive an eye product because I use them a lot. So yes, the next one we have, and this is a big product and it's quite heavy, and this is the walnut and shea butter body polish, all skin type, crushed walnut shell and shea butter. As you can see, this is nice. And let's see what it says on the leaflet, on the booklet. This one is rated for 29 pounds and 95 pence. Wow, this is quite expensive. And this one, it says specifically formulated using crushed walnut shell that works to buff away dead skin cells, improving the appearance of imperfection to reveal soft, supple skin. Added papaya enzymes ensure skin is brightened whilst balancing skin tone to leave you looking and feeling radiant, healthy, and refreshed. A powerful treatment that effectively prepares and nourishes, restoring hydration for truly soft and smooth. So yes, I usually use the body scrub from Soap and Glory, which is I love. I repurchase many times, but I usually use other product. But yeah, and it's big, as you can see, lovelies. And then the last product we have in here, and I think this is the spoiler of last month. This one is from Night Renewal Complex, polysaccharides and marine collagen. I really can't say this kind of words, too much complicated for me. So this is the product. I hope I don't blind you, lovelies. But yeah, this is a 50 ml, so I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And this one, lovelies, it's rated for 49 pounds and 95 pence. So it's worth more than the box. wow, just wow. And it says an indulgent night cream that works to smooth and firm the skin while you sleep, ensuring you wake up to brighter, more radiant skin every morning. Formulated using sweet almond oil, wet germ, and marine collagen. The Night Renewal Complex revitalizes the complexion while restoring moisture balance. Elasticity is improved and fine lines are targeted to help combat the first sign of aging. So this is the last item. So we have 2, 4, 6 items in here, but we have a sample size here, lovelies. And this is from Delina La Rose. And it's like a sample size. Smells nice. Smell rose. Wow, love the smell. And I'm really happy that they put sample size of perfume, to be honest. I collect them and I really enjoy using them. I use them every single day. As I said, I prefer this kind of packaging sample in perfume because I think they are more concentrated and the smell lasts throughout the day. So yeah, this one. And let's see what it says here, because I saw this one here too. So the full size packaging will be like this, and it says a moment of freshness. Delina La Rose is an unforgettable scent. This new fragrance embodies a timeless future, a blend of transparent water flowers and peony recall multiple notes of fresh, velvety, impertinent, and delicate rose. The most regal of those notes, Turkish rose, unfolds in elegance. Pear, lychee, and bergamot scent add a gourmand touch, while a perceptible but subtle base of wood, white musk, and vetiver envelops the scents. So yes, so this is the product. As you can see, there's no more in here. Let's do a recap. We have a big size, massive size of the walnut and shea butter body polish. Can't wait to try this one. And then we have the Night Renewal Complex, which is £49.95, very expensive. And then we have the eye cool gel, the arnica and vitamin C. We'll use this one in summer. And then we have the warming aromatic mask, natural clay, chamomile, and comfort combination. Skin perfect in the evening if you need to relax. This is perfect because of the smell of the lavender, chamomile. Really gorgeous smell. And then we have the perfecting tint SPF 15 medium. Yeah, can wait this one to try in summer too. Usually don't use foundation in summer. I usually use only tint like BB cream, like that. So yes, we'll definitely use this one. And then we have the Bath and Body Oil, sandalwood and lemon bath and body oil. So overall, lovelies, I'm so happy for this month. Definitely I will use every single product, and I know for sure, lovelies, once I finish this product I will not repurchase it, definitely, because they are quite expensive. It's out of my budget, but I really enjoy reviewing them because it's like luxury pamper for my skin. And yes, and for £39.99, this is really a good bargain, because the total worth of all these products is worth more than £200. Yes, but I just hope, because we have loads of skincare right now, if they can do full box full of makeup. Just my suggestion. And also, lovelies, for next month spoiler, lovelies, I will pop in here because I don't really remember. But yeah, if you want to subscribe for this month, as I said, you won't receive this box but the next one. And yes, that's all for me, lovelies, for today's cohorted unboxing. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. I will unbox another subscription box after this because I received few of subscription box yesterday. So yes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.